Origami Frog. So, let's see how I make. First, do the corner to corner. Then, press it like this. Then, take your sharpener, the half and here half. Then again half and here also half. You have to do 2 times. Then open your paper, you will see a slanting line. Then hold one corner and take that to the other corner which line you made. Then press it again and then do half and then half. Again half, then half. Then open your paper, then you will see X. Then you have to turn your paper and do its half. And then press. And then you have to press it. Half and half. Then you have to open your paper. Then you have to put it like this and then like this. And you have to put all the fingers except the both thumb down and the both thumb in the middle of the line which you made. Then you have to do like this and then like this. Then you have to see, is it touching the corners? If yes, then put this on this corners only. Then do with your sharpener. Then you will see 2 sides here and here. So you have to do like this and little bit should come out of the paper. Then do with your sharpener like this. Then same with the other one and little bit should be outside. Then you have to turn your paper like this and turn it like this. Then you have to take this hole here and then you will see one line. On that line you have to put this like this. Then you have to do with your sharpener like this. Then you have to fold it to the other one side. Then again take this paper here and take this to again here. Then do with your sharpener like this and turn it to the other side. Then you have to turn your paper and fold it little bit. And you have to turn and you have to open your sketch pen and make its eyes and mouth. So your frog is